All right, guys. Hi, how you doing? It is Julie from How We Cruise, and I'm here with
Beth Macatora, Julie's mom.
This is Ma. If you guys might know her from the lives, know her from the chats, or know her from the trips that we go on. So we're doing something a little bit different today. We are reviewing a product. I've been dying for one of these and finally got one. It is a silicone mat warming tray. It's got these warming coils under it, and we just plugged it in a couple minutes ago and it is already warm. We have it set at 100 degrees Celsius, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, if I got my conversions correct. So it keeps it nice and warm, but there are different settings. We can set it to different hours, so it can be set for 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 hours with an auto shut off. And it will go from 40 degrees Celsius, 55 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, 85 degrees, or 100. We have it set at 100 at the warmest, and it is already warm to the touch. I'm gonna let you guys know, I already used it. I used this for a couple times. I'm gonna try to drop pictures in right now, but I used it over the holidays, and we had some birthdays, and it's been great to just put anything on it. It's nice and soft. I mean, we can touch it. It does have the edges cool, so as this does get a little bit warmer, but I mean, it's nice and warm to the touch, but I'm not worried about getting burnt on it. It's just gonna keep your food warm. Flexible, food grade silicone. It does have the multiple settings, and what's great is even though it's warming up, I can still even do this. Even the coils on the bottom, I mean, they do get warm, guys, so don't hurt yourself, but look how this just rolls up, right? Nice and tight. You can store it easy. It's portable. I brought it here to Ma's house.
I think it's a party must-have. It's a party must-have. If you're going to do any entertaining,
yeah,
you need at least one of these, probably more like 3.
I used to put out, well, I still do, but I mean now, because I put out multiple, but I'm ready to get rid of that and only use things like this. Like the hard metal, skillets, and then you'd use those as warming trays. Now, guys, look at how easy this is. It's so easy. So it keeps it warm. I heard some people like to use it to do things like even soften their butter or their cream cheese if they're cooking. You had a great idea too, which I'm gonna try.
I would make bread on this. I would raise my bread. What wonderful for proofing it. Put your bread on the mat, cover it with a towel, and what a great proofing. Don't limit yourself just to this on parties. It's also very, very flexible and very usable for every day. Warm cookies when the kids come home from school, or keeping pancakes warm while you're making more for the family.
She's got great ideas. Better ideas than even I have. But anyway, you can put anything on this too. You can put glass, you can put ceramic, you could even, it's been a day since I've had to warm a baby bottle. but you can even warm your baby bottles on it. So anyway, we really appreciate it. We really like this mat, and looking forward to getting some more, and hope you appreciate it too. See you on the seas.
See you on the seas.